I'm going to quickly introduce our panelists for debate number one. Piyush Goyal is joining us from Amritsar. There he is on your screen. Shri.R. Kesavan of the Congress Party will be joining us to take him on. Naresh Gujral of the Shiromani Akali Dal also joining Piyush Goyal from Amritsar. Sankarshan Thakur, roving editor of the Telegraph, and Hartosh Singh Bal, political editor of the Caravan magazine. Piyush Goyal, my first question to you and Naresh Gujral sitting there, and you're on the same side as well, not just in the same location. I mean, why don't you take on Priyanka Gandhi? Not one word on Priyanka Gandhi. Every day there is a comment from Priyanka Gandhi. She's entered the campaign, she's taking you on. It appears to me that the BJP wants to make this Rahul Gandhi versus Modi. Why? Is that easier? Is that an easier contest, Rahul versus Modi?
Arnav, you make all the decisions yourself, so well you can decide who is on their side. But unfortunately, the people of India have already jettisoned the Congress. I think the people of India have written the obituary of the Congress. They are looking for relief from the terrible mismanagement of the economy, of their lives, the massive corruption that they have indulged in all these years. Now with Sanjay Baru's book, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi stands exposed as the person behind all this corruption, all this mismanagement. She has also seen the immaturity that her son, whom she hoped to foist on the nation, has displayed. He tore up an ordinance that the whole cabinet and the core committee of the Congress had passed. He promised action against corrupt ministers and chief ministers who are today the Congress's candidates. It is very evident to the Congress that neither Mrs. Gandhi nor Rahul are cutting ice with the people. We most heartily welcome Miss Priyanka Gandhi, actually Miss Priyanka Vadra, as per Indian tradition, to come into the fray. But we just heard 2 days back her declining to contest against Mr. Modi and announcing that she never intended to contest.
No, she says today it's a battle for the heart of India.
Amethi and Rai
she says it's a battle for the heart of India, so she's clearly in the battle.
Now, if at all for the Gandhi clan, only those 2 seats matter because it's a fight for their very survival, then well, she's free to campaign in those 2 seats, but we would welcome her to campaign all across India.
So why do you keep pulling the focus down to Rahul Gandhi? Why? You see, I made in my opening remarks, I made an observation, Mr. Piyush Goyal, that it appears to me, and maybe Naresh Gujral can also explain this because he's very much on your side. Why do you keep pulling it down to Rahul Gandhi? Is it an easier contest?
Arnab, jara sun bhi liya karo yaar.
No, is it an easier contest?
Learn to listen also, Arnab.
No, is it an easier contest?
The obituary of the Congress is being written by the people of India. They can bring Rahul Gandhi, they can bring Miss Sonia Gandhi, they can bring Priyanka Vadra, and if they don't find any relief, they can even bring Robert Vadra. We are happy to take all of them on.
Shri.R. Kesavan, you want to make your opening remarks? You're letting that pass. So because Shri.R. Kesavan is letting that pass, I move on.
Not at all. I'm making my remark.
My remark here. No, I thought.
First thing,
I
want to respond with the slogan. I want to respond with the slogan taking off from the manifesto which they released after the voting had begun, showing how personality centric they are rather than policy centric. They said Ek Bharat Shreshta Bharat. The people know the real slogan of BJP. It's Ek Vyakti Vibhajit Bharat. I'm really amused at the way the rank and file of BJP is panicking. The Congress president has given a statement. They were talking about the advertisements being given. You have Mr. Modi ji addressing virtual rallies from holograms all over the country.
Who's stopping you from doing that?
Virtual and
who's stopping you from doing virtual rallies?
Not at all concerned. Not at all. We are very happy with the statement.
Is it unethical to do?
It's a powerful statement, clearly delineating the battle, clearly saying what is this fight about, what is the soul. This is a fight for the soul. You have a party which is divisive and you have a party which is...
Mr. Kesavan, come to the point. Mr. Kesavan, no, 1 second. Mr. Kesavan. Mr. Kesavan, please come to the point. No, 1 minute, Mr. Kesavan. And by the way, the trending subjects tonight, TV attack on one side was yesterday's, and tonight it's Main Nahi Mom. My question is that yesterday's televised address, speech, which Modi calls advertisement, which Jaitley says is something is what paid for 3-minute speech, addressed to the nation, that presented this doomsday scenario, Sankarshan, doomsday scenario. If the BJP comes to power, BJP will ruin Bharatiyata. No, Jaitley's response is Main Nahi Mom. No, 1 minute. Mr. Kesavan, why are you reacting to everything I'm saying? I'm only trying to get everyone into the debate. Are you on the back foot already?
Sure, go ahead. Not
Has
at all.
Man-e-Imam put you on the back foot?
And the Congress party is too.
Okay, fine.
Ek Vyakti Vibhajit Bharat has put BJP on the back foot.
No, I thought, what is your line, by the way? I don't know your response line. I thought Kapil Sibal's line was Hum Nahi Modi. I thought that was your counter line.
Everybody knows. See, you need to have one counter line for Mr. Modi. You know, the man doesn't have an idea of geography or history, and he wants to be Prime Minister.
Stands exposed. Congress stands exposed as a party bereft of even a line to go into the campaign. They stand exposed of a leader.
You didn't have a manifesto
They are not
release,
able
sir.
to announce a prime
You didn't
minister
have a
and
manifesto
candidate.
release, sir.
They are shifting the goalpost, trying to search somebody who can appeal to the people and possibly get some sympathy from the people. But I think the way they have handled the country for the last 10 years, they shut their eyes to all the corruption and tried to claim credit for taking action on
but Mr.
corruption
Piyush Goyal,
after
Mr.
the
Goyal,
cats had
but
run
Mr.
away.
Goyal.
I think it's high time.
No,
Congress
Mr. Goyal.
decided that
Mr.
the
Goyal,
people want change.
I find this, I'm very intrigued. You, Mr. Jaitley, Narendra Modi, everyone almost seems to make it look like it's Sonia Gandhi has done something highly immoral and unethical by going on television and making an appeal.
Very true.
Not at all.
My
I
question
just
to
told you
Sankarshan
we
and
welcome
Hartosh is...
Sonia Gandhi, we welcome
No, my question...
Priyanka
but what's
Vadra,
wrong?
we welcome Robert
Why are you
Vadra even
rattled?
to come.
But what's wrong? I'm saying, what's
My friend,
wrong?
We welcome them all.
What's the... but why are you going on about Robert Vadra? I'm talking about Sonia Gandhi.
No, I'm just mentioning that since they're running out of family members,
The
three
question-
are already in the fray, don't seem
Okay,
to cut
fine. So,
eyes.
Mike-
Every news survey shows
Arnab,
the
can I?
BJP
No, 1
number
minute.
going up and the Congress number falling.
One intervention.
So I'm just saying that maybe the fourth or fifth member, because any case they have nobody but family members. It's a dynasty which has
intervention.
been running this country.
No, Mr. Kesavan.
They have only family members. They have no other leaders.
Sankarshan and Hartosh
I
did...
know, but I need
They're
to have
running
a
away
say.
from the
No,
Congress.
no, are these two mistakes? Sankarshan and Hartosh? Two mistakes. Mistake number one, question Modi's marriage. Mistake number two, a televised speech. A televised speech which the BJP uses to say that it is a sign of Congress party desperation and also uses it to say Rahul Gandhi has failed, so Sonia Gandhi is now coming to the party's defense. Are these critical mistakes of the Congress or are they signaling a new welcome Congress aggression? Sankarshan and Hartosh.
Well, you know, Arnab, frankly, the issue of raising Narendra Modi's marriage, you know, with me the jury is out on that one. I told you the other night there might be a technical issue to be raised here with the Election Commission, but taking it to the public stage, as Rahul Gandhi did, I thought was unseemly and would not help, in any case, would not help the Congress. Point number two, the drift of this election, Arnab, has been clear for a while now, and it is becoming clearer by the day. I am in Bihar now. I've spent all day in the field. There is definitely no resonance of this Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Narendra Modi fight here. The issues are very local. The characters are very local, so much for that on national television.
No, so you're
But having
telling
said
Piyush
that,
Goyal there's no Modi wave in Bihar. Okay, Piyush Goyal, hear that please? Yeah, thank you.
No, I am not saying
Yeah, but
any
only
such
thing
thing.
is that every opinion poll seems to suggest the BJP alliance getting over 31 seats in Bihar. The mood of the nation today is for
Will
change.
you let me complete what I'm saying?
The mood of the
Will you
nation
let
is
me
for a
complete
better
what I'm
life.
saying?
People want their
Oh
aspirations
God, you're
to
sitting
be
in
met,
Amritsar, I'm
and
sitting
they
in
are looking
Patna.
for Modi as that agent of change, the agent who will bring in a better life for the people.
That of course should be your view as a BJP treasurer. I have no quarrel
Well,
with
the
that.
people who came to Patna to
Your
attend
second
his
issue-
rally,
your
the people who came to Bhagalpur to attend his rally yesterday, I think they were unparalleled sabhas. The kind of popular support he's getting
I am
wherever
sitting
he's
in
going
Bihar, Piyush ji.
is unprecedented in the
Mr.
history
Goyal,
of
I am
independent
sitting in
India.
Patna, and I don't know what I have said that has sparked you to say all of this. I have said only that the drift of this election has been clear for a long while. It is becoming clearer by the day. I do not know what you understand by that you take so much objection to. Two, as far as Sonia Gandhi picking up
I didn't take
3 minutes of
objection, I'm
advertising
adding,
time to
supplementing
say
to what you said.
she's... Thank you. Please let me finish what I'm trying to say. Sonia Gandhi taking 3 minutes of time to say what she has to say, to me is absolutely fair. The pity is that UPA too has so debilitated itself and has lost credibility so badly with corruption, with standstills, with all manner of mismanagement at all kinds of levels, that even the right things that they say, the cry for Hindustaniyat is not a bad cry, and it is under challenge. But coming from a Congress president's mouth, it has no credibility today.
Hear that,
And
hear
to
that,
me,
hear that, Mr.
It's a
Kesavan.
sorry thing.
Hear
It is
that,
a
Mr.
sorry
Kesavan.
thing.
Not at all.
Hear that, Mr. Kesavan.
Not
You
at
see, the
all.
point is, no, one sec.
No.
What, just a minute. You see, please, what Sankarshan is saying is something very fundamental. 10 years of malgovernance, several years of price rise,
5 years.
right? 4 to 5 years of repeated scams. And then you can't pull out the issue of secularism and national unity at this stage and say, we are not in this for ourselves, we want to save the nation.
That's right.
We are not in
correct.
this for ourselves.
No.
We want to save the nation.
The campaign.
What were you doing for the last 10 years?
Let us please remember.
One minute, were these
Sonia
scams?
Gandhi.
Were these scams?
Arnav,
Were these
let me
scams?
complete.
Allow
I
me.
didn't have my time.
1 second, please.
I'm answering your
You
question,
tell me.
please.
You tell me.
I'm answering your
Were the scams reinforcing Bharatiyata? Was the price rise
Sonia
reinforcing
Gandhi has
Bharatiyata?
reinforcing
Was a
Bharat-
weak government reinforcing Bharatiyata? Is it Bharatiya to have scams, price rise, and a weak government and ineffective silent prime minister?
Joblessness.
Bad foreign policy?
Is that Bharatiyata giving rights-based legislation to the people?
Is it-
Bharatiyata is
No,
giving
don't-
right
don't
to
keep
food for
repeating the
people.
RTI line, please.
Bharatiyata
Enough
is
of
giving
that.
right to employment for the people. Bharatiyata is ensuring that manual scavenging is taken out and they are giving a proper livelihood.
I think we are
All
getting
the
a response
rights-based
from Naresh
legislation
Gujral as well
you
from
know,
Amritsar.
I need to speak. Arnav. You don't let me. I have to ask one question. Why has the BJP flustered, unnerved, distraught, and feeling so down because the Congress president makes a statement? She is the president of the Congress party, and the problem is they want to camouflage this.
You should be very happy.
Debate of ideology
You
over
should
the
be very happy that you have flustered the BJP.
And let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question, Arnav. Today, Rajnath Singh ji met, Maulana Kalbe ji in Lucknow. And
I'm
they
debating
approved,
that later.
They said, we are okay with Rajnath Singh ji. They said, we fear Narendra Modi ji. That is the fundamental problem. They never answered the question, why did Maulana Kalbe, everybody took so much offense that Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji, Bukhari meeting, Imam Bukhari today is...
I have one
Maulana
question
Kalbe
for
ji,
you.
He said, we fear
Now, by
Modi.
the way,
He said,
Mr.
we fear Modi.
Kesavan,
That is the issue.
Mr. Kesavan, just 1 second, please. I'm the anchor. I ask questions. I don't take questions. But I'll ask you this. Today, Priyanka Gandhi says it is a battle for the heart of India. Everyone's watching TV right now, Mr. Kesavan. So I'll ask you, please tell me, how did Suresh Kalmadi take us closer to the heart of India? How did A. Raja take us closer to the heart of India? How did Ashok Chavan of Kargil for Profit, Adarsh fame, take us closer to the heart of India?
How did Amit Shah take us close to the heart of India with a statement?
No, you answer my questions.
Muzaffarnagar, when he didn't talk about... He said
Because
it's not
Amit
about
Shah
development.
said we have to
Let me
take
come back
revenge
here.
against the
he
government
said it's not
which
about
has
development.
ruined the
Amit Shah
lives
said
of
it's
the
about
people of
not
India.
development but taking, So please, let us not digress here. The issue is
revenge
the
against
BJP
your
is flustered
government
and
which has
rattled
done
because the Congress
immense
president
damage
has
to
got
India
the
and
issue
to
of the
the-
fundamental divide. This is a fundamental divide in this country where people on one side fear Narendra Modi ji and his divisive politics.
Now, how is
Even in his own
corruption not a
party.
fundamental divide? How is price rise not a fundamental divide?
Mr. Murli Manohar Joshi has questioned him 3 days back. He said Mr. Modi's Gujarat model has failed.
How is what
And
the
he said
CAG
it's
has
not
said
about
not a
the
fundamental
BJP.
divide?
They can only clutch
No,
at some...
the problem
they can
is
only
the
clutch at
BJP
this.
has
They
tried
have
to,
no
the RSS has
objective
tried to foist
agenda,
Mr. Modi.
no
They have
policy,
failed
no
miserably. BJP has failed miserably by foisting Mr. Modi and they don't know what to do. They are left in the lurch and they know they're going to go down with the sinking ship of Narendra Modi ji and his failed model.
So if that is the situation, why did Sonia Gandhi go on television? Why is she going on television? Why are you spending time on television putting out these ads if you have already won the election?
If you have a problem with the
what is the
Congress
problem with
Congress party
what is the
not
problem with the
Modi-centric
politician going on
party.
television?
What is the problem with Sonia Gandhi making a statement? What is the
Arnav, I don't
We are getting
understand what is the
Hartosh and
problem
Naresh
with any
Gujral into the
politician
debate.
going on television.
No, I don't think
I'm
there's
sorry.
anything wrong.
Arnav, I don't think that's a
there's
fair
anything
question.
wrong. But,
Why is everybody
but
Why should any
certainly,
leader go on television? Everyone is free to go on television.
fine.
Not just fix interviews.
1 second, please. Naresh
Arnab,
Gujral.
it's a small
No, 1 minute.
intervention.
I'm getting Naresh Gujral and Hartosh.
small
1 minute.
intervention.
I am getting Naresh Gujral and Hartosh into the debate. A fight for the heart of India is Priyanka Gandhi's line. Now, has Priyanka Gandhi unleashed this line a bit too late?
Arnab, Mrs. Gandhi is basically trying to save this private limited company which is soon going into liquidation. All the shareholders can come in. We will do collective halal this time. The problem is what they are saying. She says that BJP and Mr. Modi are autocratic. Very strange. The whole nation knows how the office of the Prime Minister was diminished by Mrs. Gandhi. The book which has been released recently clearly shows that all the files were going to her. She was giving the orders. She had all the power and the poor Prime Minister only had the responsibility. And all the chits for the various scams were going from her office. So I am very surprised that she calls Mr. Modi autocratic. Then she also calls him divisive, while she runs to the Shahi Imam. So this is total hypocrisy,
please, what happened
and
today?
it's
What
an
about-
act of desperation.
No, what about Priyanka's line
What about
today?
today?
What happened today?
No, what about the emotional pitch?
What about today?
Hartosh?
They
What
can
happened in
come with
Lucknow
any
today?
line. As I said,
No, no, what
this
about-
ship is sinking.
No, what about
And they
the
are
emo-
desperate.
I'm only asking
What
you as a
about
journalist.
Hartosh?
Because
Hartosh,
only
once
asking
and
you as
for
a
all,
journalist. What happened
they will
today?
be
Yeah,
taken
Arnab.
out of this political party.
Mr. Gujral,
what about the
Yeah,
emotional?
Arnab.
What about the emotional
I'm curious
pitch?
about one phrase of yours. What were you referring to when you said collective halal? I'm curious as a journalist.
I'm sorry? That slowly
What did you mean when you
the
said
voters
we will
of this
conduct
country
collective halal?
will bleed this party to death. I said slowly, as I explained what
God
I've
forbid.
said.
I mean, if that is the
Slowly,
word you
the
wish to
voters
use,
of this country
if that is the
in
word
the
you
next
wish to
15, 20
use,
days are bleeding this party
what's
to
wrong?
death.
No,
if
one
that is
second.
the word
Sankarshan,
you
what's
use-
your objection?
If that is the phrase you wish to use, I said if that is the phrase you wish to use, good luck to you.
Well, Arnab, the fact of life is the Congress today is without any agenda, without anything to promise or show the people either as a track record
You
or
don't-
as something which
No,
they
no,
can do in the next
no, no,
5
you-
years.
today- no, no, to-
the fact of life is
Arnab,
the
if I-
BJP manifesto
Today,
clearly outlines
one
the
second.
policies and programs
One minute.
of a future
Just,
government.
no, 1 second.
And
By the
people of India are
By the way,
looking
Sankarshan
to
objected to the
decimate
aggression of
Congress,
Naresh Gujral's
get them
language.
out
The
of
otherwise,
power,
even
get a strong government
when
into place which improves their lives.
Piyush,
I think it is time
Very sad.
for the
Very
people of
unfortunate.
India to know how divisive this Congress party has
Piyush,
been. And
Piyush,
for
you
that
are-
matter, did you observe
Piyush
Arnab,
Goyal,
the subtle
Piyush Goyal, you are covering for Naresh Gujral. I know that.
Bharatiyata.
I know you're covering for Naresh Gujral.
Look, they've used
No, this is
Hindustani.
I know
Hindustani
you're providing friendly fire for Naresh Gujral because you think Sankarshan cornered him with the use of the word collective halal. Sankarshan objecting to the kind of aggression in that language, completely unusual
that's what I'm saying.
from
This will be
Naresh
decimated.
Gujral, reflecting the political climate.
Congress will be
Unacceptable. I mean,
decimated.
this is an election. This is not a halal, collective halal. This is an election by the people of India. Exercise of mandate.
I think you'll have to learn
Exercise
to
of
take
franchise.
acronyms.
I have never heard anyone use words like collective halal in
Congress
this
is
process.
getting decimated.
And I, as an Indian, as a journalist, am
Arnab,
appalled.
No, Mr. Piyush Goyal, Mr. Naresh Gujral, who I must say otherwise.
Yeah.
Just a minute. On most Newsa panels, he's a picture of calm, poise, and restraint. When Naresh Gujral sits next to you and he says, collective halal, asked to explain, he says, we will bleed, the voters of this country will bleed the Congress party to death. You find that acceptable, Hartosh? No, check it. I know, Mr.
I am saying
No.
Congress.
Can you? Is this the language of a political contest? Is this the language of a political contest?
Fabric of India.
No, the voters
the
will
social
bleed the
fabric
Congress
of
party to
India.
death.
that the voters of India now want a Congress Mukt Bharat,
This is-
and that is the kind of vote you are seeing.
Mr. Kesavan comes in. Hartosh, sorry, I'm going to let Mr. Kesavan respond, then come to you.
The round of election. The new opinion polls.
Mr. Kesavan is intervening.
They are getting decimated.
Mr. Kesavan.
BJP is making a classic mistake, Arnab. It happened in 1971. They said they made it personalized. They said Indra Hatao. We said Garibi Hatao. Now we are saying Bhuk Mukt Bharat, Berozgari Mukt Bharat, Ashiksha Mukt Bharat. But I'll tell you one thing. The BJP is rattled by the Congress President's statement when they say we are, in a fit of desperation. What does Mr. Modi do flying kites with Salman Khan? And when Salman Khan says he'll vote for Priya Darji, don't they have an agenda? Yesterday he goes and meets Rajnikant. Then he meets Pawan
By the way,
Kalyan. If
Mr.
this is a man
Modi
who has a
never
wave in the country,
politicized-
you go and make these,
Mr.
you
Modi
have these
never
meetings and you say it's not
politicized
desperate.
anybody's
But when the
visit.
Congress President talks about the ideology of the party, when the Congress President questions the opposition's ideology and the fundamental difference between the two parties, you are rattled and you run for cover and you come and attack. Please, this is very, it's a mockery.
Well,
He
I
made
don't
a
know
very
what
clear-
the
and
ideology
language,
is.
the kind of
As
language
Mr.
used on the
Arnab
show.
Goswami
No,
said.
Arnab, the kind of language used by the
They are-
gentleman
as
on the
Mr.
show
Arnab
really
Goswami
reflects the
said.
fear.
Which language?
You have an
Maulana Kalbegi
ideology
said.
of corruption.
Today Maulana Kalbegi
Your
said
ideology
he
is
fears
corruption.
Modi and
Your
NDA.
ideology
That is
is
because of the
dividing
language
the
you've seen on
social
this
fabric
program.
of India.
It's precisely.
Your
The language
ideology
of
is
BJP
price
and the
increases,
NDA allies are
joblessness,
scary. They are putting fear in the
mismanaging
minds
the
of the voter.
economy.
They are
We have
putting fear
seen
in the
enough
minds
of your
the voter.
ideology.
What Gujarat ji
People
said is
do
not
not want
very,
your
very
ideology
unpleasant. It's
anymore.
unsavory. And that is what Maulana Kalbegi said. When Maulana Kalbegi today met Rajnath Singh ji and said, we fear Modi, this is the precise reason. This is the precise reason why the people fear the NDA and led by Modi.
You want to take back your comments, Naresh Gujral?
I think the Congress...
No, one second. Naresh Gujral, you started a controversy here, Mr. Gujral. You want to take back that phrase, collective halal? Do you want to take it back? I give you one opportunity. You want to take it back, revise what you said, take it back now?
What I am saying is, what I have said is that the people of this country are slowly bleeding this party to death. Every week, the opinion polls which
That's
come,
what you said.
they show that the Congress numbers fall.
That's not what he said,
Every
sir.
week that the numbers come, they show that the NDA
That's not what you
figures are
said.
rising.
You use the word collective
There is
halal.
nothing wrong with what I said.
I'm sorry.
It was a
All
loaded
right, if you want to
statement,
stick
Arnab.
by it.
Anyway, I gave him an opportunity. It's his right. Hartosh,
You should be sorry to the nation.
let's Hartosh
The
come
way
in,
you have
please.
treated this nation, you really should be sorry.
I let Hartosh come in. Hartosh, Priyanka Gandhi personalizes it. She emotionalizes it. How does she personalize it? She says, my father died for the unity of this country. She gives it an emotional spin by saying, this is a battle for the heart of India. Now tell me, Hartosh, and tell the Congress representatives straight what you think. In a country where dynasty is ceasing to matter, becoming less and less and less and less important. When you say, 1 minute, Mr. Kesavan, I haven't asked a question, already your hand goes up there. When Priyanka Gandhi says, my father died for the unity of this country, she is, in a way, pulling out the family card even stronger. Me, my mother, my brother, my father, my grandmother, right? My great-grandfather.
Great-grandfather.
No, 1 second. Now, question to you is, Hartosh, will this work? This is 2014. Is this going to work? This
Arnab,
emotional dynastic spin.
It's not going to work, Arnab. It's not going to work. She's using this card because this is the only card that is left with them. They've tried everything that they could try. Now, quite frankly, let me rephrase what Sankarshan said. The idea of India, Bhartiyata, yes, all these are under grave threat. But the fact is that nobody thinks that these ideas have been well protected or well served by the Congress. To hear these things said by the
Precisely.
Congress is to
I
actually
agree.
denigrate these ideas. As much as Modi denigrates these ideas. And this is the real problem.
Yes.
This is why a lot of people are caught in between, not knowing which way to choose. Yes, Modi will get a lot of support, but there is a number of people who don't know which way to go in this election, and I think that is one of the things that is not being stated about this election. The Congress is no real option.
So it's not going to work. Mr. Kesavan lets that pass. I go across to Piyush Goyal.
It's not going to work.
No, Mr. Kesavan lets it pass. I go to Piyush
The
Goyal.
fact is, Mr.
I didn't
Modi
let that
has a
pass.
very
I just want to
inclusive
say that I was
agenda.
waiting for my turn,
The
Arnab.
fact is, Mr.
Arnab,
Modi
you
highlighted
used
his
the
idea of
repeated words
India
of-
to be one where everybody has a place. his idea of India which is development and progress oriented, his idea of India where people's lives are better, they get better quality education, better jobs, farmers don't have to commit suicide, where people get quality of life. And I think that is the idea of India Mr. Modi articulated. Everybody is free to have his idea of India. Shankar Sen, Hartosh.
What is the idea of India? What is the idea of India in which a politician sits next to you?
But the big
a politician sitting next to you says,
India stands India stands united against the bad government that the
No, you are
Congress has
repeating
given.
yourself.
Obviously, 100% of the people are not going to be with Mr. Modi. But the fact is, most people in this country are looking for change, and Mr. Modi represents
Piyush, just a minute.
that agent of
Just a
change
minute.
that we want.
Which idea of India allows you to say that some political party will be bled to death? You can say political party will be defeated. But you
Well,
say
the idea
political
of
party
India-
will be bled to
that-
death,
the
and that
idea of
language,
India that they have-
you support that language, you support
you-
Naresh Gujral.
Arnab,
You are sitting there and
Arnab,
supporting
Arnab,
Naresh Gujral on that.
Arnab, enough is
Arnab
enough.
was collective halal.
Arnab, the
Don't
idea
forget
of
that.
India that
The original
enough is
phrase
enough.
was collective
The
halal.
people cannot
No,
tolerate
enough.
a party
Leading to death was
and
a corollary
family
to
and a
that.
dynasty which has
Leading to
gone
death was a very
reputation
civilized
of people
corollary to
so much
collective
against
halal.
Arnab, the
In
people of
2002,
India are tired of the
Vajpayee
agony that this party
pulled
has
up Narendra
caused the
Modi ji.
people, that this
In
dynasty, that
2002,
this
Vajpayee
family
pulled up
has
Narendra
caused
Modi
the
ji
people of India.
for his
They want
indecorous
to be
insinuations.
relieved from this agony.
Now let me interrupt, sir. Please, Piyush ji, I'll just speak. See, in 2002, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji pulled up Narendra Modi ji when he said repeatedly, James Michael Linton said, I am ashamed and don't use indecorous insinuations. It doesn't dignify either, the fight between Election Commission and Chief Minister. So
Well,
such
your insinuation of vodka
continue from
Saudagar,
then to now. Continue
your
from then to now, and we
insinuation of
still not
vodka
had an
Saudagar for
answer.
Mr. Modi.
Indecorous insinuations.
Well,
Arnab, that's
use
how I
your
define
party,
it. The
your
two words
leader,
used.
your
Indecorous
president.
insinuation, which reflects the
Your
mentality.
president had
And
used the
second
most
point I want to talk about, you said
derogatory
dynasty.
for
Please,
unsubstantiated
since
allegations
1989,
against Mr. Modi,
since 1989,
which the
there has been no
the
Prime Minister
Supreme
from
Court
the
of India has
Srimati Sonia
absolved
Gandhi's
him of.
family. Since 1989, there has been no Prime
Well,
Minister from
Srimati Sonia Gandhi's
family.
family
There has
cast
been no
all
Prime
sorts
Minister.
of false
Please understand
allegations
that.
against Mr.
And
Modi
please
for
explain
no
yourself
rhyme
for
or
this
reason.
collective diseased mentality of the BJP to divide this country. It's unfortunate, it's sad. People are watching and
Well, we have
nobody
seen the
answered why
mentality of
Maulana
your
Khalbei
party.
said he fears
We
Narendra
have
Modi
seen
ji.
the mentality
What
of
is the
your
explanation?
party.
Why did Maulana Khalbei say he fears
United
Narendra
for
Modi ji?
corruption.
What is the explanation?
A party
Arnab,
which
let
is
them give an
united
answer.
in its
Let them
efforts
give
to
an answer.
ruin the lives
Why
of the
did
people
Maulana
of
Khalbei
India.
say that?
I think
Why
the
did he approve
people
Rajnath
want...
No, let me
Why did
ask
he
you.
say no to
People
Narendra
want to
Modi
be
ji?
rid
No,
of
let me
that
ask you.
party.
Let me ask you, because those who make
The
claims
people of
must be
India to
questioned.
suffer so
Mr.
much.
Kesavan, you make the claim, you must be questioned. You make the claim, right? This is the battle for the heart of India. This is the battle for unity of India, Bharatiyata. Tell me, 1984 riots took place. How was that Bharatiyata? What did the Congress party do for the unity of the nation in 1984? Let me complete. Let me complete now. When you go and you say Muslims must vote as a bloc, essentially, your tactical Muslim voting, you call that secular voting, whatever, call it any name. I'm asking you tonight, because you're making the claim. No, one second, let it be placed on record. Let it be placed on record tonight that I question Naresh Gujral and Piyush Goyal over the collective halal comment. I asked them 3 times, but I ask you because you make the claim on national unity. Tell me how 1984 is a fight for national unity and what happened after that, the alleged role of Congress leaders, the way in which they were to attempt to bring them back into the fray, almost give them tickets to the media, questioned it. How was that Bharatiyata?
The Prime Minister and Srimati Sonia Gandhi have expressed regret. They said we apologize and express regret for what happened. And time has flown by. You don't question.
What do you mean time has flown by? How does the time has flown by argument come? What do you mean time has flown by? People died, time has flown by. Congress leaders were electorally involved, time has flown by.
About 2002.
Hartosh,
when Narendra Modi ji was
what do you mean time has flown by?
He talked about a puppy being run over by a car.
What do you mean time has flown by?
Narendra Modi said a puppy is being run over by a car. And anybody who sits in the back seat will...
What do you mean time has flown by?
That's how we looked at the 2002 riots. Why don't we question that, Arnab?
What do you mean time has flown by? Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Hartosh comes in. Hartosh. What do you mean time has flown by? Time has flown by since 1984, so I should not...
Time has not flown by. Let me say it very clearly to Mr. Kesavan, if Mr. Kesavan will listen to somebody for a change. Kamal Nath is today contesting on a Congress ticket. He led a mob. 2 people were burned to death in front of a Gurdwara. He stood there for 4 hours.
You will say allegedly.
Sonia Gandhi is running away from... Allegedly, I am making the claim, let Kamal Nath sue me. Sonia Gandhi is running away from summons in the US court. She is not willing to say where in the world she was on a particular day. And time has passed for Mr. Kesavan.
How do you say time has passed?
Apologize, sir.
This is exactly to do
Sonia
with
Gandhi
the
Take it back,
The
sir.
Prime Minister has apologized. Mr. Narendra Modi ji has not apologized. He said it's akin to a puppy being run over by a car and he was...
Naresh Gujral.
Like a person sitting in the back seat. He was the
Mr.
person with the
Kesavan, I asked
He
you
has
some
never
specific
apologized
questions
till
which you
date.
haven't
And you're going
answered.
back to digressing. We have already apologized.
No,
to express
no, you
regret.
make the
And
claim,
Mr.
I ask you the
Narendra Modi
question.
expressed regret.
You make the claim, I ask you a question.
Express regret for 2002.
So you have acknowledged that you killed 5,006. Mr. Modi is not responsible for what happened in Gujarat, and the Supreme Court of India has also said so.
He was the
But
Chief
now
Minister,
good
sir.
that you apologize
He was the Chief Minister,
because
sir.
you are responsible for the massacre of 5,006.
He was the Chief
and your
Minister, sir.
leader has said it on national television in Arnab Goswami's show that congressmen were involved in the massacre of 6. The people of Punjab, the Sikhs of Punjab, the Sikhs in the whole world want answers. Why 5,006
Why
were
doesn't Narendra
massacred?
Modi ji come
Why
into a show
Operation
with Arnab
Blue Star
Goswami ji
happened?
and talk about the 2002 riots?
He has done a show with Arnab Goswami.
Congress
He has
Vice President did a
answered
show. Let him come on
Arnab's
the show and
questions on
do a
2002.
no holds barred interview with
Mr.
Arnab
Rahul
Goswami
Gandhi
ji.
had no answer
Why
for
doesn't Mr.
1984.
No, Mr.
except
Modi ji only
repeating
gives
a parroted
soliloquies.
phrase
Mr. Modi ji gives
39
soliloquies.
times.
Let him come to a show like Arnab
39
Goswami ji's
times.
show and do
He
a no
talks
holds
of
barred
women's
interview like Rahul
empowerment.
Gandhi.
When under his charge, women are being raped in the capital of Delhi.
Oh,
Which is
I want to talk
was
about
ruled
women
by the
empowerment,
Congress,
sir.
both at the
I just want to
center
say this.
and in the
when
state.
when you know people talked about anorexia with women, he said it's because they're beauty conscious. Is this a man who talks about women empowerment? 55% of the people in Gujarat have anorexic. When questioned about it, they said it's because they're beauty conscious.
Well,
Is this sensitivity towards
unfortunately,
women? Why doesn't he come out
for
open
you, you
about
possibly
2002?
don't understand Gujarati. You possibly don't understand Gujarati, so you're not able to interpret.
The problem
what
is
said.
BJP doesn't
But
understand
the fact
India,
of
sir. That's
life
the problem.
is, under
BJP
the
doesn't
Congress,
understand India.
the people feel insecure, women are insecure, the people of India are jobless, women cannot pay their household bills. I think the
divisive
time has
politics
come
of
for
Modi
a
ji will be
Congress Mukt
rejected.
Bharat. From North India
at
to
all.
South India, East to West,
Even the
people are looking
leaders
for
in BJP
change.
don't accept
People
BJP,
want
sir.
to
Whether it's
throw out
Rajnath
their
Singh
party.
ji.
So my point, oh 1 minute, just my point is, you see, in an election, there have to be many issues. Now, Sankarshan, what the Congress party is doing is something very interesting. At this stage of the election, right, and we are in the middle of April, 1 month from now, people will be watching Times Now and the results will be on TV. My question today is the Congress at this stage. Yes, Piyush?
To the day, 1 month from
1
today,
month to the day, people will be sitting watching Times Now with the results on TV. Sankarshan, my question to you is, at this stage, the Congress party makes it a one-issue election. Bharatiyata, ideology, battle for the heart of India. Ideology, ideological spectrum, ideology. Save India campaign. Why are you shaking your head? This, I am only quoting from what your leaders have said. Are you going to contradict them now, Mr. Kesavan?
No, I want to say the BJP is
And
managed
Arnab,
about
they
a
have to
one-person
pay for it.
election.
Mr. Modi
Arnab, that's
is
the
shown on
problem.
television
We talk
also.
about
Fine.
this. All they want to
Without
talk about
having
is
to
Narendra
pay for
Modi
it
ji.
also.
It's a one-person election for
No,
the
no,
BJP.
but you admit
They
it,
want it's a coronation of one person. It's
Can
not us.
I?
We didn't make it. The BJP made it.
You know the only
There
casualties
can
in
only
this.
be one prime minister.
The only
And
casualties-
it will be a prime minister who will act on his own conscience.
No,
and
on a
not by
lighter
the
note-
dictate of a third person.
On a
like
lighter
your
note-
prime minister did for 10 years.
On a lighter
Controlled
note,
by Nagpur.
gentlemen, on a lighter
Well,
note, if I may be allowed,
well,
sometimes on
may I
News
say
App, please.
something?
Nagpur and he is my
When,
former
look here,
president.
you see, Mr. Piyush Goyal,
May I say
on a
something
lighter
here?
note, if I may be allowed a second sometimes, you see, think of the viewer he's also watching tonight. I'm saying on a lighter note, the only casualties of the election will be journalists. Look at us. We're not getting a word in, Hartosh. I'm with you. Hartosh and Sankarshan says, I have never been
Arnab,
silenced
what is
in the
it?
way I
I
have
mean,
been now. My question to Sankarshan is...
Arnab, you will have to go outside.
Arnab, if I may also say something on a
Arnab, all
lighter
of you
note.
should go outside
Again,
and get
you know, the moment
politicians.
Arnab, you start asking
Arnab.
me a question, someone pipes up
Arnab,
and
the
decide on
problem
that.
is that
Go on, Hartosh.
I think one thing is pretty evident, that the Congress is wiped out in almost every part of the country,
No, the...
except in Amritsar. It's interesting to see Naresh Gujral, Piyush Goyal and Arun Jaitley sitting in Amritsar today.
Yeah, I think the only person missing in that frame is Arun Jaitley.
Why not?
Well, we have
Why
a very
not?
strong alliance.
Anyway, no, but that's not
We
the
are
question.
working together in tandem.
The question is this. Sankarshan, Congress wants to make it a one-issue election. 2 minutes on the debate. Ideology, heart of India. Ideological spectrum, save India, save the nation campaign. Will it work? After 10 years, you come up with one line, save the country. From what?
Arnab, I will tell you the same thing I told you a while ago. It is the right sentiment, the right slogan coming from a mouth that has, become devoid of credibility. And it has become devoid of credibility by its own lapses of omission and commission over the past 5 or so years. So for the Congress to say anything, the Congress cannot do a thing right at the moment with the people of this country. I heard these words called coronation and this and that. At the end of the day, let us all believe as a collective that this is an election where Indians will vote, and whoever becomes Prime Minister will have had the majority of the votes of the people of this country. So let us respect that. It cannot become a democracy for one party and a one-man dictatorship for another. If it does become a one-man dictatorship, the people of India will see to that. And I'm sure the people of India will not put up with a one-man dictatorship.
Well argued. Now,
Into the kind
so
of
Mr.
people we are.
Kesavan,
I think it's very well put, Arnab. And with
can
my
I-
personal experience,
Arnab, I
I
just
can
want to say
tell
one
you,
thing.
there cannot be a more democratic leader than Mr. Modi. My own personal experience tells me
Oh,
he's a
please
good
now.
listener. He takes people along in the party.
no, I never
and
said
as far
that.
as I've seen, he's
Arunji, we see the
merit-based.
divisions in the party,
He
please.
believes in merit, and that's the kind of leader this country wants.
Mr. Kesavan, one issue after
Arunji, I
10
just want
years,
to say
save
this,
the country. How convenient.
You are talking about a Congress.
But who'll
talking
believe
about
you?
one issue. We are running on a record of rights-based approach. We are running on a record of moving 15 crore people out of property. But the problem with the BJP, Arnab, they are not even running on one issue as you purportedly say we are, which we are not. They are running on one man.
I think
it's
a lot of
one man
problems lie with the Congress
Modi
party.
ji, I, me, myself.
over.
And this is not going to work.
I think the
this
Congress
is very,
will do
very,
very well to look into its
alien
own
to
problems
India,
at the
this
moment.
concept, and I think they're going to fail. They've realized that they've made a tremendous mistake of projecting Narendra Modi ji, and it has failed. He lacks credibility, he lacks trust, and the people of India don't trust him, and that is going to play heavily on the BJP and the NDA.
Okay.
They've realized they've made a big blunder, and
Okay.
that is why they're rattled when Srimati Sonia Gandhi comes and makes a statement.
Trending.
Which is why they're
I have one
rattled.
thing to
You
say.
can't see the writing on the wall.
I would like to...
Arnab, the Last Supper. This almost sounds like the Last Supper speech of his.
Trending for 24 hours on national television, right? Right now, trending number 1, I'm told, is Main Nahi Mom, and TV Attack, the hashtag is trending for over 24 hours. Now, one thing must be said, ladies and gentlemen. Irrespective of whether they think they're right or wrong, and with the greatest respect to Mr. Gujral, I think his choice of words today was wrong, but viewers tonight are watching the debates. They are watching tonight. And Mr. Kesavan, they will also reply on the 16th on whether this can be allowed to become a one-issue election. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1. Debate number 2, I'm back in a few minutes. Thank you.